Hey there, this is Janessa West with Notary Newbies Mentor. Let's talk about the cost of doing business with a signing service. Let's break it all down. So let's calculate the notary's average income of a loan signing from a signing service. Typically, loan services pay about $100 for a loan signing. So let's break down your costs. Let's look at printing costs first and foremost. The average signing is typically about 150 pages for the client to sign, but you also have to print a second copy. So another 150 pages that you will leave with the client. So you're printing a total of 300 pages. In that 300 pages, it's probably 20 pages of legal and 280 of those are letter size. Breaking that down further, the cost of letter size paper, if you purchase it in a case of 10 reams, you can get for about $40. Breaking that down to 0.08 cents per sheet and printing out 280 pages is $2.24. Then we have to look at the cost of legal size paper. And by the case, that breaks down to about 33 cents per sheet. And at 20 pages or 20 sheets, that's $6.60. Then the cost of toner. Toner varies, but I just did a little bit of research and found that the average cost of toner to print with breaks down to about 3 cents per page. That would be $9 for 300 pages. And of course, you're mobile, so we have to factor in the cost of gas. Depending where you live, gas can be kind of up there. In California, gas is almost $5 a gallon for regular, but I'm thankful I don't live there anymore for that reason. Where I live now in the Midwest, gas is about $2.80 something. You might be able to get it cheaper at Costco, ranging around $2.60. But because of that, I'm just going to go with an average cost of $3 a gallon and the average car getting 35 miles per gallon, which would cost you a breakdown of 9 cents per gallon. And let's say your signing is 15 miles each way, so a 30-mile round trip. Your total cost of gas would be $2.70. Let's add those up. $2.24 for letter paper, $6.60 for your legal paper, $9 for your toner, $2.70 for your gas equals a total cost out of your pocket of $20.54. Now let's also factor in time and travel. An average appointment takes about 45 minutes to an hour, and that's your time from getting to the location and actually getting back in your car to leave the location. So let's go ahead and round that up to 1 hour. Plus your travel time of 25 minutes each way, so a total travel of 50 minutes. Let's go ahead and round that up to 1 hour also, just for the ease. And remember, you accepted this appointment for $100. So let's break this down now. $100 signing appointment pay. minus $20.54, which is your total cost for paper, printing, and travel, leaves you with $79.46. Divided by your 2 hours of time, which was your travel and your time with the client, leaves you a total of $39.73 per hour. Sounds about right. And it doesn't sound too bad. Likely, it's probably more than the hourly job that you left in order to do notary signings, or loan signings, I should say. And so you probably think it's not too bad. You might have left a job that was paying you in the average of $15 to $20 an hour, and now you're making close to $40 an hour. But wait, there's more. Then you have to also add in the other costs of doing business. Some of those costs are a yearly maintenance for an average car, which is a Honda Accord, which includes oil, tires, tags, and license at about $800 a year. Your full coverage car insurance, if you're a good driver, another $800 a year. Your E&O, if you take out the signing agent coverage of $1 million, that averages around $300 to $400 a year. Your yearly membership for NNA that includes your background check averages around $79 to $100 a year, depending on your state and your requirements. Then your supplies that you have to buy time and time again, which includes a journal, your stamps, your pens, and things like that. Let's just average that out to $150 a year. And your other notary industry memberships or apps that you might have, or miscellaneous costs. Let's go with $100 per year. Let's not forget marketing materials. If you're doing business, you're getting your name out there somehow. So business cards, your website, or other things at about $250 per year. And last, but definitely not least, self-employment tax, 15% of your earnings. It sounds big, and it is. If you have not been self-employed before, as an employee, you pay 7.5%, and your employer pays 7.5%, coming up with a total of 15%. But when you're self-employed, you pay both of those. So that's a total of 15%. You do get to write off half of it when you break down your costs and your expenses and your taxes. But until you do that, you do owe 50%. Or I'm sorry, 15%, not 50. 15. After all the costs are broken down and deducted, if you're accepting $100 or less per signing, you might be breaking even or actually losing money. However, this is the cost of doing business, and this may be how it is for the first 1 to 2 years in any business. And breaking even or a loss for the first year is typical of any business. As a business owner, you have to decide whether it's worth it or if there's a way to scale up and make more income. So how do you make more income in this industry? Well, there's a few ways. You can counter offer the $100 jobs and ask for more when you can. Remember that those signing services are often getting paid $300 to $400 per signing, so there's definitely room for negotiations. You can take more jobs that are closer to home and have less printing, so that'll save you on travel and paper and toner. You can find deals on paper and toner. You can buy it in large quantities and save a lot of money. Get a membership to Costco or Sam's Club. They have great deals on paper. You can also diversify in your work. Taking general notary appointments that are quick and close to home. You get paid cash on the spot, no printing, less time, and less travel. You can also find other sources of income that a notary can do and add to your business. You always have the option of going direct. You can cut out the middleman, which are the signing services, and get direct work from local title or escrow companies. Not only does this cut out the cost of printing, but you will also possibly get more consistent work, more pay per signing, and it's likely that you'll be traveling closer to home. Then you can also take a basic business class and learn how to leverage your business to a profitable income. Knowing and understanding business itself is a key to success. The bottom line is you are a business owner. You have to see where you can cut costs and add profit on a regular basis in order to be a thriving business. There's a huge difference between being a business owner and being a profitable business owner. And it takes a lot to learn how to run a profitable business. So, what are your thoughts and your experiences since you became a notary or a loan signing agent? Do you have any advice that you would offer to a new notary? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be putting out more videos. Thanks for listening. My name is Janessa West with Notary Newbies Mentor. You can find me at www.notarynewbiesmentor.com. Thanks, guys. Have a great day and keep being prosperous.